How to unblock text message delivery on your phone.
Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to unblock text message delivery to a specific number or contact. It can be a bit frustrating when you've accidentally blocked a number or contact from sending you text messages. Fortunately, the process to unblock them is fairly straightforward, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device.
What does it mean to block a number?
When you block a number, you prevent that number from calling you, sending you text messages, or contacting you via FaceTime. This can be useful when dealing with unwanted spam calls or messages, but sometimes you might block a number accidentally or change your mind about a previously blocked number. Unblocking a number restores their ability to contact you in these ways.
How to unblock a number on iPhone.
If you're an iPhone user, follow these steps to unblock a specific number or contact. 1. Open your Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Scroll down and tap on Phone. 3. Tap on Call Blocking and Identification. 4. You'll see a list of all blocked numbers. Find the number you want to unblock and swipe left on it, then tap the red Unblock button.
How to unblock a number on Android.
On an Android device, the exact steps can vary slightly based on the specific device and version of Android, but in general, you can follow these steps. 1. Open your phone app on your Android device. 2. Tap on the three-dot icon at the top right corner and then select Settings. 3. Scroll down and tap on Blocked Numbers or Call Blocking. 4. You'll see a list of all blocked numbers. Find the number you want to unblock and tap on the X, or Remove, next to it. That's it. Now you know how to unblock text message delivery to a specific number or contact on both iPhone and Android devices. Remember, the key is to navigate through your phone settings to the section where blocked numbers are listed. Then, you can easily remove any number from this list to unblock them. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thank you for watching.